let that shit ride, tuh.
Y puro pinche salsa. Yeah. What is up, guys? Got another video for you guys. Today we're gonna take La Sicaria to get an engine swap. So right now it has a 4.8. We're gonna switch it to a 6.0. Shout out Lucky coming through with the engine with the 6.0. Y big shout out to 956 Power Builds. Se va a sacar la daga, guys. Vamos a ver qué rollo. So we're about to take this bitch. So guys, esta va a ser la mamalona. Trying to get this truck to swing. Trying to get this truck going. We're gonna do a paint job and get some rims on it, pero mejor we're gonna work on the engine first. Like I said, 6.0 engine swap on la Sicaria. Para que se saque la daga al cut. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all be ready when this bitch is out the shop. Woo-wee. She's gonna be breaking some necks out here. Gotta show baby girl some love. That shit heating up, huh? Jeez, check it out, guys. Next time you see this bad bitch, she gonna be hot. Check it out, guys. Con el phone de voladita. Check it out, guys. We're in the mamalona, la Sicaria. Clean as fuck. Vale. So, guys, estamos en la mamalona right now. About to go get some work done on this bitch. About to go drop off this bitch at vamos a dejar la Sicaria. Ahí en que 956 Power Builds. Damn, fucking brake is sensitive up in this bitch. Vale. Quema no quema esta bitch. Mira. El homeboy following me in the back. Porque esa troca de repente se apaga. Que andamos zumbando por Palmview, Texas. About to head to 956 Power Builds. Es donde quieran, por todos lados, like caen, guys, porque they get down and dirty. Se enojaron, guys, blocking that guy from passing. Jeez, my bad. I'm not even in a lane right now, guys. I'm blocking both lanes right now. Oh no. Puro suelo gang. Oh no.
¿Quién chingados más? ¿Qué onda, vato? ¿Qué onda, wey? Aquí andamos otra vez. Pa' los que no me conocen, a mí me apoda Lucifer. Ya mi San Judas.
Yeah, guys, y'all see the billboard? If y'all passing through Palmview, check out that billboard that it says out Hueco. It's beautiful weather outside. Está en caliente, pero pues, ¿qué le hacemos? That's the valley right now. It's 5:50 p.m. It's 103 degrees outside. Feels like 109. Let's get it. About to pull up right here con 956 Power Builds. Está en la taquería to go. Oh, sheesh. Yo, wey, ¿por qué, wey? ¿Ya gonna come out?
Sí, güey.
¿Qué onda, pa? ¿Ya gonna come out already?
Ya,
unos
10 minutos. Sí.
Ah, ok, now we're good. Ahorita la movemos. Más que ir a mover donde la quería, cuz. ¿Qué andamos, guys? 956 Power Builds. Trajimos la truck, la mamalona. No está tan mamalona, guys, pero pues para allá va. Full makeover right here with the homie Marco. Shout out, Palmview, Texas. Y'all ever need anything? Y'all in the area? Cáiganle, guys. What y'all working on right now?
Watch this shit.
Look at that. Rich gets you in trouble, bro. For real. Y luego el otro homie.
El BBC.
¿Ese cuál es? ¿Este? Still got the placas. Don't even got the real placas on. Paper plate gang.
Cam.
Échale tú, ustedes. Entrenle, jale, métenle, jale, no hay pedo.
I mean, it's working.
We're trying to get it in a burnout pit.
Y luego también, pues,
Trying to swing that hoe. Sheesh, check it out, guys. Homie got the el BBC. Right here with 956 power builds. Into shop Mamalon. About to put in some work. About to drop off the Sicaria right there. Shit about to get down.
Sí, yo ahorita que me tengo el motor, güey. Ahí lo había puesto en Facebook, dijo 15. Y dije, ¿me lo traes o qué? Dijo, sí, con avísame. Ya dije, el vato está. Ahora manda mensaje, pero
ahorita movemos los muebles.
sí.
¿Por acaso va a venir ahorita?
¿Dónde lo sacaron con Lucky? Shout out to homie Lucky. Alright guys, so no more 4.8 in this bitch.
4.8, tírenlo, no lo dijeron.
Dame pa' una Audi. Pa' un ca- So, shout out to homie. Gonna do a full engine swap from a 4.8 to a 6.0 aquí en 956 Power Builds. So y'all stay tuned a ver cómo queda la Sicaria, la Project Truck. También le voy a poner cam y nitro y todo el pedo.
Pues si se anima, sí. Ya que está afuera, I would do a cam swap.
By 956 Power Builds, guys, no se agüiten. Si se quebra, we just bring it right back, right?
Se vuelve a arreglar.
Se vuelve a arreglar. ¿Cuántos day warranty tenemos? 6 day warranty?
Marcos, ¿cómo está la warranty?
20 feet from the curb.
Okay, you got space over here? You got space in here? Jeez. So y'all stay tuned. A ver cómo sale esta bitch. It's giddy. Oh, not gonna lie. It's fucking hot. Ahora, la van a prender.
So aquí andamos con el compa de Power Builds.
Yes, sir.
Saludos. We bought the truck, about to get a 6.0, take that 4.8 out. Ya, se le acabó el tiempo al 4.8. Ahora sí se pusieron bien diabluras las cosas. Que nada.
¿Qué onda, cuz? Open the gate, cuz.
I would.
Shit, look at that baby girl right there. It's your 5.0. Whew. So we're gonna stop by real quick the homie Waldo's crib. His dad's Trans Am finally got the LS engine in there. So let's go check it out. Let's see what it got. Let's see what it looked like. Should I show the hood way? Pop the hood, cuz. Oh shit. And it says Junior.
Pull it open.
Damn, thank you, esa hood.
Puro fierro.
Gotcha.
It's unlocked too.
Ooh, check it out, guys. What did it have before?
This is the original stock motor.
Went from original stock to an LS. Come on. We don't got the keys to turn it on, but just a little sneak peek.
Did you ever happen on cars seeing that thing?
Nah, this is original paint. Mira, güey, adentro. Fíjate inside. Está trancado ese side.
Funny.
Pero like, what's that? Oh no. When you pull it, it opens it and...
So yeah, it's got the original interior, everything, the T-tops. Estos se quitan.
Mira nomás que es pinche culote.
Ya lo corrió, ya. That shit comes off.
Sí, Back to the Future o qué?
T-top. Yeah, we put the battery in the bag, change all the wiring, the new harness, put the dual electric fans, the intake, we put it that way. Put new headers with new exhaust, MSD coils, all that, new AC lines, everything.
Ahora le dice.
Yeah, everything. We're return it, fix everything. We're gonna repaint it again.
Pues,
New rims, new everything. So me and my dad been working on.
Oye,
I'm gonna give up my seat to it because I'm already gonna order mine.
so stay tuned, guys. This one's gonna.
This one I'm gonna take it to
Hey,
the show on the 18th.
This one's gonna be on the show, right?
Yeah, the 18th.
Y'all get to see this. Y'all stay tuned, guys. RGV Summer Summer Showoff. We're gonna have this show at the tent. Y'all make sure y'all come check it out. ¿Cómo se llama?
No, eso hay color.
No, but no name. No trae name todavía. We'll see you guys. Summer Showoff. Vámonos.